Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen. Below zero weather is back today and it's snowing again outside. There's no better time to share this hearty oven-baked beef stew in Turkish clay pot or Turkish clay stew pot. This dish will be comforting and full of flavor. Here's what we need. 500 grams of beef cubes, half fatty, half lean for a balanced taste. 2 eggplants, 2 zucchinis, 2 tomatoes, 7-8 garlic, 1 large onion or in my case 2 onions, kapya peppers, and 3 green peppers. In a small cup we have half a teaspoon of salt, black pepper, 1 teaspoon of red hot pepper and sweet pepper, plus a pinch of turmeric and basil. I just want to mention that how much spice to add is up to you. Change the amount as long as it will be to your taste. We will also use 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and some olive oil. All the ingredients will be given in the description below, so don't worry if you missed any of them. Let's start with the eggplants. Let's trim the ends. Then we will peel them in stripes. This keeps their shape intact during cooking. Slice into finger-thick rounds. It should look something like this. We will do the same to zucchinis. We will cut the ends, then peel the zucchinis in a stripe pattern, and finally slice them as we did to eggplants. We will also slice the onions, but not so thick. This thickness, as you can see, is enough. We will get rid of the skins of the tomatoes, and then we will chop them into small cubes. We will also chop the peppers to small pieces. It will come out to be something like this. Let's not forget the garlic. Just crush them and then cut them in pieces. Now let's move to assembling the stew. I'm using this traditional clay pot, a method that dates back to times when stews were cooked in stone ovens or bakery ovens. This technique enhances the flavors. Since I do not have the stone oven yet, I will of course use my oven at home. We will add some olive oil. I will coat the base and sides of the pot. Add the sliced onions, followed by half of the beef cubes. The onions will cook with the richness of the beef and also create a buffer between the pot and the meat. Let's create a layer with eggplant slices. Then we will add the zucchinis. On top, add the mixture of peppers, followed by tomatoes. Then mixture of spices and crushed garlic. Place the remaining beef cubes over the first layer and then add the vegetables and spices on top again. Now take a glass of water, add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste in it, mix it with a bit of salt, red hot pepper and a hint of oregano. Once the paste has melted, pour the sauce over the pot, and for extra richness you can add a pat of butter on top of everything. Cover the pot with baking paper, then secure it with aluminium sheet before closing the lid. Place the pot in your preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Allow the stew to cook for 2 to 3 hours. Check after 2 hours. If it's ready, you can take it out. If not, leave it until it reaches your desired tenderness. In my oven, it typically takes around 2.5 to 3 hours, but yours might vary. And here we are, guys. Beef that melts in your mouth, tender vegetables with few but tasty spices, perfect with crusty bread and a small salad next to it. Enjoy your meal, and I hope you are staying warm this winter. Thank you for watching, and bon appetit everyone.